First, pour a suitable amount of coffee beans into the grinder and adjust the grind size and duration. Once ground, remove the portafilter, distribute and tamp the coffee grounds evenly. Lock the portafilter in Select your desired coffee. I have selected a double espresso here. And now, your desired coffee is perfectly extracted. Next, set the coffee machine to milk frothing mode and purge any condensed water from the steam wand. When the proper temperature is reached, insert the steam wand into the milk and froth it until the foam is smooth and dense. Finally, gently pour the milk foam over the espresso, and a delicious cup of coffee is ready. Turn to the cooling mode to lower the temperature of the steam wand and purge any remaining air. A delicious cup of coffee is ready.